I think Jingle Jam has been absolutely amazing. Their funding and all of the people who donated to Jingle Jam have meant that we've been able to deliver programs in this school today, but also just so many more across schools across the country. So it's meant that we've been able to provide bullying support and healthy relationship support to so many more children.
The Jingle Jam have been great. They've made it possible for us to come into this school. I know the school wanted it. They've loved the peer mentoring training and all the training in the past. They've wanted us in, but we've never had the funds. So Jingle Jam have been able to do this and help us engage more young people.
I think just seeing the excitement and enthusiasm from all the kids is it's really great to see, and I think they really enjoyed the sessions.
For myself, it's been seeing the kids really take initiative and want to learn about how they can combat bullying and want to share it with their friends.
I like having a mentor because when I'm upset, I can just go to Fun and tell her that I'm sad.
Today there was an issue where 3 friends wanted to play a game, while another other friend wanted to practice a little show they were making. So I kind of sat them down and kind of communicated with them in different ways to just make them all happy, and we all decided on rolling down a hill.
I mean, there was nothing like this at school when I went, so just having that opportunity to think about bullying in a deeper way.
Yeah, it's really incredible going off of that to see tangible change happening right before our eyes, to know that Jingle Jam was able to make a difference to these kids who are learning these things right now in front of us and are inspired to do work, after today, talk to their parents, talk to their teachers, is incredible.